In today's video, I'll show you how to safely downgrade from Windows 11 to Windows 10. Go to your browser and visit the official Microsoft Windows 10 download and download the Media Creation tool. Insert the USB flash drive into the USB port. Run the Media Creation tool. Agree with all terms. Choose to create installation media. Select personal settings for your future system like language and 32 or 64-bit versions. In the window choose which media to use. You need to choose a USB flash drive. Select your USB drive and click Next. Wait until Windows 10 will be downloaded on your USB flash drive. It will take some time and will be dependent on your internet speed. Once you have the bootable USB drive, click Finish. Go to Device Manager and open your USB drive and double-click on Setup Application. And follow the on-screen instructions step by step. After all steps, click on Install. The process of installing Windows 10 has begun. It will take a while and your PC will restart several times during this process. Installation process is complete. Now you are able to customize it. Choose your region and click Yes. Add a second keyboard layout if you need. Connect to your internet network. Choose how you would like to set up. You can select between personal use or set up for an organization. Add your account to be able to connect your mail, OneDrive storage, and other important services that you are using on Windows 11. Now create a PIN code. Choose privacy settings for your device depending on what you need. If you don't need any of it, then turn everything off and click on Accept. Now you are able to customize your experience. Select all the ways you plan to use your device to get personalized tips, ads, and other recommendations. Here you can select a function that will allow you to use your Android phone from your PC if you need. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Also check our other video about how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11.